second method, we were changed kilometer per hour to meter per second. Kilometer per hour to meter per second. Then substituted that value in the formula to receive our answer easily. I think among these two methods, the second one is convenient for you. Okay, second one is easier than the previous one. Okay, as your preference, you have to select which method you are going to use in your exams. Okay, just note them clearly. Find the time it takes for a train of length 80 meters. Okay, I'll draw a picture. Okay, this is a train. Okay, this is a train. Length of this train is 80 meters. Traveling at the uniform speed. Okay, uniform speed 96 kilometer per hour. 96 kilometer per hour to cross bridge. Okay, 100-meter bridge. Okay, this is our 100-meter bridge. Okay, this is our 100-meter bridge. This train is going to cross this 100-meter bridge. Okay, how much time it takes to find the time takes for a train of length traveling at a uniform speed of cross a bridge which is 100-meter long. Okay, how much time it took to travel cross this 100-meter bridge. Okay, let's discuss this question. Here, first of all, here you can see the velocity, the speed was given in kilometer per hours, but the other measurements, the length of train and the length of the bridge was given in meters. So first of all, you have to convert kilometer per hours to meter per seconds. Okay, meter per seconds. For that, 96 kilometer upon 1 hour. 1 hour. So 96 into 1000 meters upon 1 hour means 1 into 3600 seconds. Then we will simplify. This can be simplified. We can simplify this by 6. 6 sixes are 36 and 16 sixes are 96. Furthermore, we can simplify this by using number 2. Here 3, here 8. 8. So 8 into 10 upon 3. 8 into 10. That means 80 upon 3 meter per seconds. 80 upon 3 meter per seconds. Okay. Then 80 upon 3 meter per seconds. Here you have to think another thing. Okay. Don't convert it as a decimal number. Don't convert this as a decimal number because it's easy to deal with fraction numbers rather than using the decimal numbers. Yeah. This train have to travel this 100 meters, but the length, okay, when you think about here, okay, the starting of this train here, okay, starting of this train here, when it traveled to here, okay, the starting of this train was travel 100 meters, but the remaining of this train still in the bridge. Here you can see the starting of this bridge, okay, engine of this train was traveled 100 meters already, but the remaining part of this train still in the bridge, but we have to find how much time it takes to cross the bridge. That means the last portion of this train should be here at the end of this bridge. Okay, the engine was traveled already 100 meters, but the last portion that was not crossed yet. That was not crossed yet. So we have to consider about this length of this train also, because that is also a concerning factor. When you look at this question, that is also a concerning factor, because the 80 meters plus 100 meters. So the distance it have to travel, okay, the distance it have to travel totally 100 meters have to travel. That is the length of this bridge. Okay, the length of this train, that is 80 meters. You can see the starting engine was travel 100 meters, but that was not crossed yet. You can see the remaining compartments of this train still in the bridge. So it should travel furthermore. Okay, it should travel further 80 meters to totally cross this bridge. Totally cross this bridge. Now we know the speed and the distance it have to travel. Totally the distance is 180 meters. 180 meters. We can use these two to find the time. To find the time, how much time it takes to travel this distance. Okay, I'll write here. Okay, we know the speed equals to distance upon time. We have to find the time now. Time equals to distance upon speed. Distance 180 meters upon 80 upon 3 meter per seconds. Meter per second. Meter can be simplified. Okay, meter and meter can be simplified. Yeah, this is a denominator. For this denominator there is another denominator. No, for this denominator there is another denominator. So we can take it as a numerator. Don't confuse with it. Okay, what we are doing here is this 180 should be divided by 80 upon 3. 80 upon 3. So this division will become multiplication. So the fraction, right side fraction, will become its reciprocal, 3 upon 80. 3 upon 80. That's how, if the division have a denominator, another denominator, we can take it as a numerator. Okay, likewise 180 into 3 divided by 80. We can simplify this. This one and this one can be simplified. And 8 and 18, 9 times, and here 4 times. 9 threes are 27. 27 divided by 4 seconds. 27 divided by 4 seconds. This is the time. Here we have to find our time in decimals. Okay, final answer not in like this. Okay, not should be a fraction. We have to write that as a decimal number. We cannot represent our final answer in fraction. Okay, it should be in decimals. Mostly in this kind of question you have to convert that to decimal. So when you divide, it should be 6 point, yeah, not 6.26, 28, 6.75 seconds. 6.75 seconds. Okay, in this question the important thing, not only consider about this one only. Okay, if the engine is started here, within 100 meter it can reach the end, but not the total train. The train distance of this train, that also matters. So we have to add the length of this bridge and length of this train all together. Okay, so this is the distance the train should travel, 180. We know